My name is Uche Nwaneri, and for this industry they call me straight.
Yes, my name is Nausas.
And this na shape you sabi. I dey hear your heartbeat from here. And one time man they die. So make I pick question and I go read them, then I go answer. Who was the first executive president of Nigeria? Now the question be that for year. Tafawa Balewa. Then be the first president of Nigeria. Executive president of Nigeria. And that's what I think. I feel him.
You are dead wrong.
Okay, my people. When was Naira introduced in Nigeria?
What?
I don't know, make I don't even guess.
Now when we get independence, 1960.
1960. It's supposed to be after
1959. So 1960. Because when we get independence.
We go explain because no evidence.
He tried now, waiting, small girl like this. Alright, the another question we will see. What does the black shield on the Nigeria coat of arms represent? Now, could do it. Don't worry now. Black shield for which is black? No, green na agriculture, white na peace. The black shield.
You gonna explain tire?
Oh, Papa God, help me.
For here.
What's it with this? Who formed the first political party in Nigeria?
My papa now.
I want to know.
The first, what else too small?
I just tired.
The first political party, no be NC, no be those ones. The first political party, NCP.
You are a liar.
You just not be PDP and APC.
Wait till they worry you. How many local governments does Nigeria have? 707.
Why they pick the simple questions now? Now this question, now they teach us.
Oh yeah, how many local governments does Nigeria have?
774.
774.
Yeah, 774.
You are sure? Take them as your question.
Yeah, thank you very much. God bless you. That's my third question.
Okay.
Thank you.
At
least I get one.
Make a complete. What does the white color in the Nigerian flag stand for? See, first way to do this, you don't get serious question.
Don't be silly.
We go
White na peace. White na for peace.
So say, what is the motto of Nigeria?
Can you
Nigeria get
imagine?
motto.
Now, mess this best now.
Nigeria, you get another one.
Against you.
Who was the longest serving Senate president?
Now, simple question, leave am.
Empty jacket, Lori.
Alright, as Nigeria the clock 63, this the question we will answer now should say make we try to know about the country where we don't try. The one way we talk so we feel, we just normal feel and not say we don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe be like say me for president, you say how are you?
If I decide to release this vertical one on you.
Happy 63rd independence anniversary to all Nigerians. Make una keep on. You go better. Since I put no day high again, now shake it there.
It shall be good in Nigeria.
Man.
Happy independence, Nigeria.
95.1 Wazobia.